Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn video uploads with Vimeo, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your LinkedIn video uploads with Vimeo, begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down to the Activities section to find your video uploads. Click on the Posts tab to view your shared videos. Select the video you wish to back up by clicking on it. Once the video opens, check for the option to download. If the download option is available, click to save the video to your computer. If there is no direct download option, you may need to use a screen recording tool to capture the video. Open your Vimeo account or create one if you haven't already. Once logged into Vimeo, click on the New Video button. Select the upload option from the available choices. Locate the video file you downloaded from LinkedIn. Drag and drop the file or click to select it from your computer. While the video uploads, fill in the necessary details like title, description, and tags. Adjust the privacy settings to suit your preferences. After the upload is complete, review the video settings and make any necessary changes. Finally, click on the Publish button to finish the process. Your LinkedIn video is now successfully backed up on Vimeo, ready for easy access and sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.